Today, we're talking about a phone that has the entire tech world absolutely buzzing. Do you remember the glory days of Nokia? That era when just seeing the logo gave you instant peace of mind. These phones were basically built like tanks. You could drop them, toss them around, and they'd still be working like a charm. Well, hold on to your hats because the legend is officially making a comeback. But this isn't just nostalgia. Nokia is returning with a beast that's ready to go head-to-head with the biggest heavy hitters in the game. Today, we're diving into the Nokia X Plus 5G. This is the phone everyone's been dreaming of, a mid-budget powerhouse that's aiming to humble Apple and Samsung at their own game. So, buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. That display. Guys, the first time you lay eyes on this screen, you're going to be floored. We're talking about a 6.85-inch QHD plus LTPO OLED display with 2K resolution. It's so sharp, you'll genuinely want to reach out and touch it. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite series or catching up on the latest movies, everything looks breathtakingly cinematic. But the real flex here is the 144Hz refresh rate. If you're a gamer, this is basically paradise. And with a 410Hz touch sampling rate, your inputs are going to be instant, faster than a blink. Whether you're grinding in Call of Duty or PUBG, you'll have the competitive edge. The bezel-less design and the ultra-futuristic in-display fingerprint sensor make this phone look like it was beamed straight out of 2030. Seriously, this thing is a total style statement. DSLR-grade camera setup. Now, let's talk about the absolute star of the show, the camera. Are you ready for this? We're looking at a quad camera setup headlined by a massive 300-megapixel primary sensor. You heard me right, 300 megapixels. We've also got a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, a 48-megapixel telephoto lens, and an 8-megapixel macro shooter. Whether you're trying to capture the craters on the moon, ultra-fine textures on a portrait, or zoom in on a distant mountain range, the detail is straight-up DSLR quality. And for all you night owls, Nokia has packed in their new Super Night Vision technology, which pulls light out of thin air to make your night shots look crisp. Selfie lovers, we haven't forgotten you. There's a 64-megapixel front camera that makes every post Instagram ready. Sunset selfies or dark, vibey parties, this camera doesn't miss. Performance. To keep all this hardware running smooth, Nokia has stuffed the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 under the hood. This is arguably the most powerful processor on the planet right now. You could have 100 apps running in the background, edit 4K video on the fly, or play Genshin Impact at max settings, and this phone won't even break a sweat. It runs on a clean, bloatware-free Android 17, which means the software experience is lightning fast and super responsive. There's no lag, no stutter, just raw, unadulterated speed. You're going to feel like you're flying. Battery monster. Let's be real, we all hate that low battery anxiety. The Nokia X Plus 5G comes packed with a massive 7500 mAh monster battery. One full charge and you are good for 2 solid days of heavy usage. Whether you're pulling an all-nighter with a movie marathon or going hard on a gaming session, this phone is not going to quit on you. And when you finally do run dry, the 125-watt superfast charger gets you from 0 to 100% in just 20 to 25 minutes. You can literally plug it in when you wake up, hop in the shower, grab some coffee, and it's fully topped off by the time you're ready to head out. Price and availability. Now, for the best part, the price tag. Despite all these top-tier specs, leaks are suggesting this phone could hit the market in the $800–900 range. If Nokia actually pulls this off, it's going to completely flip the mid-budget market upside down. Apple and Samsung are definitely going to have to reconsider their strategy if this launches later this year. So, what do you guys think? Is the Nokia X Plus 5G going to be the biggest game changer of 2026? Could it really be the phone that finally shakes up the status quo? Drop a comment down below and let me know, what's the one feature that caught your eye? Is it that 300-megapixel camera, the massive battery, or that insane price? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Follow-up question for you. If this phone lives up to the hype, would you be willing to switch from your current daily driver to the new Nokia, or are you too deep into the Apple or Samsung ecosystem to make the jump?